Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back with another scan code video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Apatosaurus scan code, a new addition to the Mattel lineup, a very massive addition at that. You can see the brachiosaurus behind it. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into getting that scan code. Oh my goodness, there it is. So let's zoom on in. Here, one sec. I'm holding a phone, so I'm just gonna use my nose. I'm a bit shaky because I'm holding it up with one hand and the phone with the other. So if you want to pause that, feel free. Okay, I'm gonna put it back down. Oh. Okay. Hopefully you got that. If you didn't, let me know in the comments, because I have no clue if that was bright enough or whatever. So yeah, let me know and I'll just redo the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.